Hi there, I'm Natalie. As a professional chef, I know how important it is to have quick and easy meals that you can make ahead for busy days. A big pot of soup is easy to pre-portion and freeze. This hearty vegetable soup I'm making today features lots of low-protein veggies that you may not be using regularly: turnips, parsnips, and Napa cabbage. This is a great recipe for those of you following a simplified diet for PKU. Okay, so we're gonna heat our pot. We have a large stock pot here. We're gonna heat it to medium-low and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to the pot. Make sure the bottom is nice and coated. And then we will add our diced onion. Okay, we're gonna saute our onions for a couple of minutes until they begin to soften and release those juices and become translucent. Okay, our onions have softened. You don't want them to get dark in color, you just want them to soften. Now we will add our carrots. We have diced turnip, and we have diced parsnip. So the parsnip is similar to a carrot, similar in taste. It's not as sweet. We're going to add 16 ounces of vegetable stock right over our diced veggies in here. Once our stock comes to a boil, we will add our diced zucchini and allow this to cook for about 10 minutes on a simmer or until our vegetables are nice and tender. Okay, so our vegetables are nice and tender. We're gonna turn the heat off and season it with some salt, a little fresh cracked pepper. With the heat off, the last step is to add our Napa cabbage. Add it right in. This is a nice, mild and tender cabbage, so when we add it in the end like this, it's just gonna kind of wilt into the soup. We don't need to necessarily cook it. It's colorful, it smells delicious. Let's give it a nice try. Ooh, a really hearty soup as well. Perfect for a nice cold winter night. Let's try it, the best part. It's really tasty. And those turnips have a nice mild flavor when they're cooked into the broth. It's really, really tasty. For more low protein recipes and tips, check out nutritionmetabolics.com.